What's going on? So we're going to start the vlog right here today. You can see him taking pictures in the back, and let's get into this video. Alright guys, we made it to the first spot. We're going to take some pictures of this car and let's get into it. Brakenex, follow him on IG. This is a dope picture right here. I could take a picture like this.
Oh, with the little finger?
Man, he's doing nice.
It almost looks like I'm trying to sell the car.
You recording?
Yeah.
I'm recording you, you're recording me.
You're recording me, recording you, recording me. Recording you, me.
What?
I don't know, dude. Let's move some cars.
This man is all the way over there. So take a picture. How'd it come out?
I have to get that far just to get a regular shot, like I would on my lens.
You can see that's actually pretty good. Air out, air out. There we go. Oops. Went to a different spot right now. My seatbelt on. Who needs seatbelts, right? I don't even know where we're at.
I literally thought you threw one at me. Because when I was driving over here and I made that first left, it went ching.
Free change. God of Chugs.
Fuck that guy.
Follow him. You're God of Chugs.
That ain't me. Oh, looks like we're about to do some racist shit. Not to be confused with racist shit. Don't be racist. We're doing racist shit.
We're doing
racing shit.
Racing?
Yeah, don't be confused with racist shit.
Racist, racing.
Racing, racist.
This man.
Not drugs.
You know what check was in that car?
Not really.
Why not?
Zoom in really close.
There's only one way to find out.
This place is empty as fuck.
It's abandoned.
Abandoned. And then there's 3 cars here. You smell burnouts?
I hear
Smells like the right kind of weather.
I hear someone say do a burnout.
Oh god. That one? All-wheel drive burnout?
I don't know about that. Okay, we go walk again.
I feel like this would be really cool if this place was wanted.
They have all the entrances, 2 entrances blocked off, but they have one down there that's open.
Reasons.
Let's go. We about to go inside.
Oh no. I really hope you're not serious.
We about to go inside. Yeah, we're going inside. What you really? I hear noises. Come on. You scared?
A little. I'm trying to spend my Sunday getting arrested.
Alright, looks like we're not going inside.
Wow.
There's someone over
Oh my
here.
god, you can't do me like that over here. I feel like if I had like a hazmat suit, I would do it.
Let's go buy one.
You can't just buy an M16.
We are tonight, right?
What I should do?
I hope we don't get told.
I should just let it record and just walk around like this.
It's a real photographer right here. That's how you're supposed to carry your camera.
For Pornhub? Pornhub.
We ready to walk to, what, 7-Eleven?
I think so.
Yeah, because this
Either
man,
7-Eleven or Wawa.
this man is thirsty.
Thirsty for the drinks.
And we're gonna leave our cars and we're gonna walk over there. We're ready to see, we're gonna take some pictures in here.
We're about to get horny as fuck.
Oh, looks like we can go in there. Huh? Got some Slurpees. Slurpee?
Next step is herpes. Oh my god. Why would I say something like that?
Oh man.
Part of me just wants to drive through.
You think we could go in there?
I don't know.
We can go in there, pull your car in there, you know?
And then just get footage of me running from the cops.
We ready to run from the cops. You think the cars are still there? They're still here.
What if one of our cars was over here? I wouldn't even know what to think.
Oh man. That would have been bad.